Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to our English lesson. Our topics today is story time, and the title is The Cooking Competition. Boys and girls, have you ever watched the cooking competition before? I'm sure you have been watching it. Boys and girls, before we listen to the story, let's look at the vocabulary first. Please repeat after me. Competition. Competition. Competition is pertandingan. Surprise. Surprise. Surprise is kejutan. Bad. Bad. Bad is teruk. Tasting. Tasting. Tasting means merasa atau perasa. Delicious. Delicious. Delicious means sedap. And the last one is winner. Winner. Winner means pemenang. Before that, you can refer to your textbook, page 62 and 63. Now, let us listen to the story together. Listen and understand it because there will be a task based on this story after this. Are you ready? Let's start.
Module 6. Story time. The cooking competition.
It's Wednesday afternoon and Ted and Faye are in class. Every month they have a cooking competition. I'm making noodle soup, Miss Tulip.
Are there any vegetables in your noodle soup, Ted?
Yes, of course. Faye isn't very good at cooking. She doesn't like it very much.
Faye, you've got some meat, some tomatoes and a pineapple. What are you making?
It's a surprise.
This month, Ted wins the cooking competition. Faye is sad. Her food is always bad.
Congratulations, Ted. Your noodle soup is delicious.
Thanks, Miss. That evening at home, Faye tells her dad about the competition.
Faye, let's cook together.
Okay, Dad.
For 1 month, Faye and her dad cook and cook and cook. Today is the cooking competition.
Faye, you've got some flour, some milk, some chocolate and some eggs. What are you making?
It's a surprise, Miss.
Miss Tulip is tasting the food. Sally's chocolate cake is very good. And Ted's chocolate biscuits are great too. And now it's Faye's turn.
Would you like some chocolate pancakes, Miss Tulip?
Yes, please. This is delicious. Great job, Faye. You're the winner.
So, my dear pupils, the value that we can learn from this story is practice make perfect. Ia bermaksud jika kita tidak mahir dalam sesuatu perkara atau kemahiran, tetapi jika kita tidak berputus asa berlatih atau membuat latihan, lama-kelamaan kejayaan akan menjadi milik kita. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and don't forget to do your task that I have sent through our group WhatsApp. Bye.